Welcome to RES Knowledge Center. Today I am going to say some facts about driving license. A driving license or DL for short is an official document in the form of a card which is issued by our respective state government. It signifies that the license holder is permitted to drive a motor vehicle on public roads in India without the need for any supervision. Motorized vehicles in the respect include a car, bike, bus, etc. The license is a legal requirement under the Motor Vehicles Act of 1988. According to the Act, no one can drive in a public place without a driving license issued by either the Regional Transport Authority (RTA) or the Regional Transport Office (RTO). Types of driving license in India. There are 4 types of driving license available by the RTO in India. Learning license. Before we get a permanent driving license, government uses to issue a learning license in India. The validity of this document is 6 months. It implies that we have to learn or enhance our driving license within this time and proceed to take a test for a permanent driving license. Permanent license. Once we appear for a driving test and pass the exam, the RTO will issue us a permanent driving license. Any Indian citizen of the age 18 years old or above can apply for a permanent driving license online. This document is issued for driving private vehicles such as cars and bikes. Commercial driving license. A commercial driving license is granted to people who drive heavy vehicles. It could be a passenger vehicle or goods carrying vehicle. The eligibility criteria for this type of license is a bit different from a permanent driving license. The applicant should have cleared the 8th standard to be applied to for a commercial driving license. International driving permit. People who wish to drive a vehicle outside of India need an international driving permit. This document is valid for a year only. After its expiry, one needs to apply for it again. An international driving license carries the name of the country for which it is issued. It also carries the visa number of the holder. Smart Card Driving License (SCDL). It is a tamper-proof plastic card. It is called smart because it carries an embedded microprocessor chip of 64 KB memory which contains all the information of the license holder. Essentially, it contains all the biometric data of the applicant including blood group, thumb and fingerprint, retina scan, body markings, etc. This information is also held by the RTO or RTA office in their systems. Meaning of classes on license card. LMV, light motor vehicle. LMVNT, light motor vehicle, non-transport, and it must be used for private vehicles consisting white boards and not for yellow board vehicles. LMVTR, light motor vehicle transport, and it is used for transport and call taxis and in the light commercial transportation purposes. And vehicles of these classes are yellow board. MCWG, motorcycle with gear. FBG, motorcycle without gear like scooty, gearless bikes. HMV, heavy motor vehicle. HMPV, heavy motor passenger vehicles. To boost your knowledge, please subscribe our channel RES Knowledge Center.